Okay, so welcome. Been a little while since I've done an FTR video. Thought it was time to do another one because, as you would probably be aware, this is my FTR, a 2019 S model with a bunch of various modifications, and my husband has the 2022 S model also with a bunch of modifications. Now, for quite some time, he's had the stock exhaust on his, whereas I've had the Toce full system. This is mine. It's the low mount, as you can see. Currently looking a little bit grotty because I got caught in the rain and haven't had a chance to give it a clean. It does have polished headers, which is why they go that beautiful gold colour, so I just need to give them a polish up so that the front header looks as shiny as the rear one. Mine has the Lloydz tune, which is the version 6, the ECU flash. Runs absolutely amazing. Love it. Probably one of the best things I could have done to this bike. Now, my other half has finally seen the light, and he has installed a Toce Low Mount also. The difference, though, is he has gone for what's called the Visor Tip, whereas mine is the Visor Tip. Visor Tip, obviously a different looking canister there at the end. If you are a member of the FTR Facebook group, you would know that this is what's affectionately known as the Hills Edition, after one of our great group members who unfortunately passed away in a bike accident. He requested this exhaust from Toce. They didn't make it at the time, they made it for him, and then they decided to make it available more widely in his memory. Hadn't been available when I got my FTR, but is now available, and my husband's decided to whack that one on his. And because it is a very different end can, I thought a sound comparison would be a good idea. So before we get to that, though, I'll just go through a couple of other cosmetic differences. So he's gone for the polished headers, same as mine, and his have gone gold as well. I will point this out. On my FTR, you can't really see any of the exhaust from this side of the bike, but if I trundle over here, you'll see that you can see that pipe on my other half's bending around there. So it's a change that they made for the 2022 onward FTRs. That pipe does come around the back there before it links into the Y pipe underneath to go to the canister. It is a little awkward in that oil changes are a bit more tricky, but not a huge deal. Just get yourself some flat hex bolts and you can easily do it without a drama. Other than that, both exhausts have the DB killer in them. They do look different though. I'll just do a close up. That's my DB killer sitting in my exhaust there. Not sure if you can really see it. There we go. Whereas on the better halves, I think that's it there. So it stops further in, but I'm presuming it does the same thing. But they do sound quite different. I have warmed both bikes up because it's always better to get a sound comparison when bikes are warmed up rather than waiting for them to hit correct temperature. And I have got a little decibel reader as well. And because the exhausts stop in two different places, what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the decibel level from back by the swing arm spool, because I figure that will probably give you guys a bit of an idea. So I'll start each of these up, let them run for a bit, give them some revs so you can hear the different tone that each one makes. Okay, so 2019 FTR, Toce Low Mount, Visor Tip, DB killer in, and Lloyd's tune. 2022 FTR Toce Low Mount, Visor Tip, DB Killer in, and Lloyd's chain. So there you have it, two different tones, both very similar. I think like a decibel maybe between them, or you know, decibel and a half. A little bit of black smoke blowing out of mine just because I've not started it for a week because it's been raining, as evident by the water on the ground, whereas this one has been ridden a bit since it got its tune on only a couple of days ago. Hopefully that helps people that are not too sure which one to get, which one's going to be better for what they want. Both sound great. Very looking forward to us being able to get out for a ride together and making a lot of noise in the hills.